Everyone, myself Rudram Jaram Patel, and I am going to show you the topic of an blockchain which is related to Python, guided by Power Ma'am. So let us start. My group members are Parvesh, Shalam, Tadvi 2. So let us start. First of all, what did you mean by blockchain technology? First of all, so let us start. What is a blockchain? A blockchain is a growing list of data blocks that are linked together. First of all, you have to give a data, then it gives a reference. This reference is carried out by some data and also by some reference and also by some data. So let us start. Basic information related to the blockchain. Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that make it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transition that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Each block in the chain consists a number of transitions, and every time a new transition occurs on the blockchain, a record of that transition is added to the every participant's ledger. The decentralized database managed by multiple participants is known as distributed ledger technology, that is DLT. Blockchain is a type of a DLT in which transitions are recorded with an immutable cryptography, that is signature, called as hash. This is the basic information related to the blockchain. So let us try to understand the properties of a distributed ledger technology, that is DLT. DLT is programmable, distributed, immutable, timestamped, anonymous and secure. It is definitely secure because all records are individually encrypted. Programmable, a blockchain is programmable. We can program it by using Python 2. Distributed, all networks participants have a copy of a ledger for complete transparency. Immutable, any validated records are irreversible and can be changed. If you want to change or muted the blockchain, you have to take request of 10 people who you are connected. So let us move forward. Python programming language for blockchain. Blockchain is a widely used on blockchain development worldwide. Python is quite as easy language as compared to other languages. It is a dynamic language that offers open source and is suitable for a beginner to start their career as a developer. With a Python, you can develop a small prototypes to build your skills. As it is open source, with Python technology, you will be able to choose from different resources and plugins for blockchain development. You don't need to declare the variable type in Python programming languages, as it is dynamically typed. It also supports object-oriented programming, and it is primarily used in blockchain development, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Now let us start about the features in Python. First of all, there are many advantages of using Python or developing specific applications and systems. This is possible due to the vast feature Python holds. Python programs offers mainly features, but we will be discussing some of them as below. Open source software and free. Python is a free and open source language that is beneficial for learning to start coding, as you can implement it for blockchain development and practice, as its course is readily available. Easy to write. Python is a programming language that is easy to learn. The code is very basic and easy that anyone can understand. High level language. With Python, there is no need to remember the architecture of the system. Also, there is no need to manage the memory. Offers GUI programming support. With Python, you will be able to use a graphic user interface that helps in creating apps. Modules such as PyQt5, WX Python or TK are some of the most popular options. After that, other features of the Python programming includes object-oriented language, interpreted language, type dynamically, use library, integrated language and portability. Real-life application of blockchain. Where do you can use a blockchain? First of all, Bitcoin. Okay, the real-life application of the blockchain using Python. First of all is Bitcoin. Everyone know about the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a new technology of a cryptocurrency. It has been introduced just because of an blockchain, and you can contribute to the Bitcoin by using a blockchain, because Ethereum is one of the type which is included in a blockchain by using a Python. So let us move to the next application, that is reducing voter fraud, storing public data, storing a federal government data, streaming taxless collection process, trading, product tracking, smart contract, healthcare system and land registry. Conclusion. Python offer their own specific features and benefits for blockchain development. Hence, based on the use case and type of blockchain, one can choose if they want to use the Python programming language. So first of all, after applications, I want to tell you something about more than applications. Python. First of all, Bitcoin. Reducing voter fraud. First of all, the reducing voter fraud means there are many voter frauds in our country just because of there are proxy voting. To reduce that, we can use a blockchain technology, because a blockchain consists of an hash and a pre-hash. That pre-hash is a considerable perfect ID for an voter, therefore we can reduce it. After that, for land registry, we can also reduce the frauds due to the land registry, just because of using the same technology. So that's from me, guys. So any questions? Thank you.